Hey folks, Adam here, Elite demonstration showing off this. It is a Dimunt 15 watt lamp, and it's absolutely fantastic. It's gonna replace your 100 watt incandescent bulbs. This thing is absolutely fantastic. 170-degree range, which is way better than a lot of the competition. So let me give you 5 reasons that you should pick this one up compared to some of the competitors. Number 5 is the straightforward and easy to use controller. All right, now you can set it to a 1-hour timer. You've got easy on and off, and there's so many easy settings to adjust here. You can change the color of the light. Maybe you want more of a tan. You see my skin is a lot more tan. Your reading, which is easy on the eyes, your computer setting, all sorts of stuff, folks. You can do this at night. Look at this, your night setting, very relaxing. So many different things here. This is an easy to use remote. Turn up and down the brightness, etc. So a great remote that you're going to love. And on top of that, you have various settings for up and down memory and on and off right on the stick itself. Let me see if I can focus for you. There you go. Right on the stick itself, you can run through this as well. And it's nice that you can use the remote, say by your nightstand, you can turn on and off the light. But if you're just standing there, you can click it on and off as well. That's number 5. Number 4 is how dang bright it is. This thing, LEDs, has a ton of LEDs, and it's so bright that even a dark room is lighted very quickly and easily. It is only 15 watts, and again, it's replacing a 100 watt incandescent bulb. That's a lot of lumens, and it's not going to be rough on your pocketbook. Number 3 is the easily adjustable arm. You can aim this however you need to. You want to aim it up at the ceiling and bounce that light. You want it right down on your laptop, wherever you want it. This thing is great because it is directional and you can adjust it accordingly. This would actually even make a very impressive light for doing camera work. All right, so that's number 3. Number 2 is the 112 LEDs. They packed this thing with a ton of LEDs to be able to give you the brightness you want. And with the LEDs, you can adjust the color from 3000 to 6000 K. And LEDs, they're not gonna have to burn out. So they're gonna last 50,000 plus hours. You're not going to have to worry about replacing them in your lifetime. And the number 1 reason it's built with your safety in mind. This is fantastic. The base is heavy enough to where it's not going to tip over. And on top of that, the LEDs are designed to where you can have them for reading and they're not going to cause any issues with your eyes. So a very smart design, folks, that's designed not to fall over, easily adjustable. There's so many cool things about this. You've got the 112 LEDs, the low power consumption of only 15 watts, the brightness, the adjustability to the types of colors that you get. And on top of all that, you get the remote and the easy touch design. This is built sturdy, not to fall over. That's an important part of a good lamp. And you can see just how bright it is. It's lighting up your area. And compared to other similar products, this has 170-degree range to where it's spreading the light accordingly. So folks, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products we own and we love. And guess what? We know that you're going to love this. Go ahead and pick it up. Thanks for watching and adios, amigos.